What's up, guys? Seabass here at Dixie Divers, running you through our Dixie Divers kayak hookah setup. Super popular thing here at the shop, especially here in Florida with lobstering and all that. So our first stage, our Dixie Divers first stage, is actually a balance piston. So it'll actually give you good breathability and flow at depth. Comes with a nice little SPG here. You can tell how much is in your tank. Hooked up to whatever length hose you want, 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever you're looking for, we got it here. Nice thing with these, you can put it on a kayak for lobstering. You can keep it on the dock if you're trying to clean your boat. Super versatile setup if you don't want to, strap on a tank, just doing some light maintenance on your boat. So we have them here at the shop. Come check them out online. Let's get you diving.